In this video, we will be discussing the 6 levels of structural organization of living things. The simplest being the chemical level, followed by cells, tissues, organs, organ systems, and finally, the organism. So let's get started. The first level of structural organization is the chemical level. All matter on Earth, living and non-living, is composed of chemicals. Inorganic chemistry is the chemistry that largely deals with non-living matter, such as minerals and metals, whereas organic chemistry is the chemistry of life and the study of the molecules that make up living things. Organic chemistry is sometimes called carbon chemistry because the chemicals found in living things center around the atom carbon. This central carbon atom, along with 3 other atoms, actually make up 96% of the mass of all living things. These are called the major atoms of life and include oxygen, which makes up about 65% of the mass of all living things, carbon, which accounts for 18.5%, hydrogen, 9.5%, and lastly, nitrogen, accounting for about 3% of the mass of all living things. All other atoms in living things account for less than 4% of their total mass. These 4 atoms, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen, combine to form molecules. The main molecules found in living things include lipids, otherwise known as fats, carbohydrates, proteins, and nucleic acids. These 4 classes of molecules, lipids, carbs, proteins, and nucleic acids, are used to create the main components of the next level of organization of living things, cells. The second level of structural organization of living things is the cellular level. Cells are the basic units of all living things. All cells come from other cells. Some living organisms are composed of only one cell, things like bacteria and protozoa, while others are composed of many, many cells, such as animals and plants. The third level of organization of living things is tissues. Multiple cells with similar functions form tissues. There are 4 tissues in the body. They include epithelial, connective, muscle, and nervous tissue. Collections of 2 or more tissues join together to form organs, the 4th level of structural organization. Simply put, an organ is a collection of tissues joined in a structural unit to serve a common function. Organs in the body include structures such as the heart, kidney, lungs, and brain, to name a few. Organs work together to form the 5th level of organization, organ systems, or more simply, sometimes just called systems. There are 12 systems in the body: muscular, integumentary, skeletal, respiratory, reproductive, cardiovascular, lymphatic, immune, urinary, nervous, digestive, and last but not least, the endocrine system. All of these systems, organs, tissues, cells, and chemicals in the body all contribute to the overall function and structure in the final level of structural organization, which is the organism.
Physvids.com, where all of our videos come with a public Kahoot. Check out all of our content at physvids.com. And if you appreciate our videos, please hit the subscribe button.